Hi, this is Lee Coulter coming to you from the comfort of my home office to talk about all things intelligent automation. Intelligent document processing is the combination of technologies that encompasses task automation, cognitive services or cognitive automation, and what we will call narrow AI services or solutions. In the case of document processing, it's really the tasks at the front end, the prediction of what needs to happen, the extraction of structured data from documents or images, and then the management and prediction of workflow for service orchestration. And that's really what intelligent document processing is. Many people may think that intelligent document processing is really a recycling of something that's been around for 2 or 3 decades, which is optical character recognition. And clearly the advances of optical character recognition have made IDP possible, but they are not the same thing. And in fact, one is inclusive of the other. So intelligent document processing, in one of its phases, uses optical character recognition or optical image recognition or other forms of extraction to get information out of an image or a document. But OCR is very specifically the extraction step, which is one part of 3 phases of intelligent document processing. The 3 phases of intelligent document processing begin with phase 1 of prepare and normalize. So preparation and normalization. And that is to establish what was the inbound channel, where did that document come from, what do we know about it, and then to extract just the document from whatever way that it came in, whether it came in via an attachment or an interface or a piece of actual snail mail that was scanned. So this preparation and normalization must occur before phase 2, which is extraction, and we talked about that. That's generally optical character recognition is phase 2. And phase 3 is the combination of the original inbound channel, the context, the intention, if you will, of that document, along with the extracted now structured data from the document, put in combination, which feeds machine learning models to predict what is the right workflow that will satisfactorily see that process to conclusion without having to involve people, unless it's by design. There are tremendous benefits from intelligent document processing. Most people would be surprised to learn that all major enterprises have at least 40 document classes and over 200 document types that they are they're forced to deal with as a part of managing and running their business. And as you might imagine, intelligent document processing provides for end-to-end automation across that document in a way that's never been possible. And obviously that comes with freeing up those people who were spending their time operating at the bottom of their capabilities, simply looking at documents, trying to figure out what they were, why they were there, what was their intention, what information do I need off of them, and then what workflow do I need to send them through. Now, with intelligent document processing, we can bridge that document and do the part before, in the middle, and after, all in one solution. This eliminates rework, reduces cost, reduces errors, and increases speed, and can make many processes available to customers on a 24/7 basis, where before they required a human in the loop to establish particularly that initial intent. What is the request, or what's the purpose of that document? These are some of the major benefits of IDP. Intelligent document processing can't handle any kind of document. That might be a too intergalactic sort of word to use there. But for the predominant types of documents that a business is forced to deal with, IDP can be used. And it really does depend on what is the purpose, how complex. So if you load a 45-page contract You may successfully get that information off of it, but the ability to transact with it may be limited. However, when we look at the two most common areas where IDP is heavily useful, and that is close to the customer in the area of customer care, where billing, invoicing, collections, all of these things which are very document heavy exist. And also those things that are close to the supplier. So everything from purchase orders and purchase order acknowledgments and invoices and bills of lading and receiving slips and all of these sorts of things. So very clearly, the two areas that IDP is being applied to significantly is in the area of order to cash or customer care and in the area of procure to pay. Although we find them in HR operations, in accounting, finance and accounting, and a whole host of other areas as well.